Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cool tie-dye effect in Adobe Photoshop. So let's jump right into it. First of all, you want to click here and add a gradient. We're going to select one that I already have made, but you can make your own. Just click to add colors, click and drag downwards to remove them. Press OK. And I'm going to go with a radial, and I'm going to scale it up a little bit just to get something kind of like this. Yeah, this looks pretty cool. Press OK. Then right click and convert it to a smart object. Right. We're now going to go to Filter, Distort, Zigzag. You can do this random. I usually just press OK whenever I feel like I'm getting some cool effect. Then go back to Filter, Distort, Twirl, and adjust this as well to your liking. This looks pretty cool right now. I'm going to add a new layer, Command Backspace to fill it with whatever color you have in the back over here. So I have white over here. Then you're going to go to Filter, Render, Clouds. The clouds are going to take the color you have in your foreground. So my mistake here, I want the clouds to be black. So I'm going to make the top color black over here, and then I'm going to go to Filter, Render, Clouds. Alright, looking better. Go back to Filter, Distort, Pinch. I'm going to crank it up to the maximum, press OK. I'm going to repeat it to get something like this. Then I'm going to go to Filter, Distort, Wave or Twirl, and do something like this. Command T. I'm going to resize it properly to something like this. And we're basically done already. We just have to change the blending mode to whatever fits our design best. So I'm seeing something like hard light for this works really well. You can then Command T to transform, right click, flip horizontal, and you get this weird spiral looking thing. And that's basically it. Kind of looks like tie-dye. It's really easy. You can do it. It takes like 2 minutes in Photoshop. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.